এসআইআর সংঘাতে সুপ্রিম কোর্টে সওয়াল মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়ের ইতিমধ্যেই শুনানি শুরু। আমরা সরাসরি নজর রাখবো কোর্টরুমে। আইনজীবীর ভূমিকা এখানে মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় নিজের করা মামলায় নিজেই সওয়াল মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়। প্রধান বিচারপতির বেঞ্চে মামলা শুনানি। সুপ্রিম কোর্টে পার্টি ইন পার্সন পিটিশন মুখ্যমন্ত্রী। সরাসরি কোর্টরুমের ছবি।
Accompanying them for the purpose of making an appropriate decision. The official will receive the documents or accord a hearing to the affected person, may also certify the receipt of documents, and that important direction in para 10, Madhyamik class 10 admit card, which discloses the date of birth of the candidate, may be submitted apart from the Madhyamik pass certificate during the...
Direction number 10 was issued.
Yes, yes.
Because we, at least personally, I had the advantage of my two brothers from West Bengal being with me.
Yes, yes.
And they were able to point out that this is the way in certificates are issued in West Bengal.
That's right.
Therefore, because of their having been pointed out, so that's why we included in 10.
Now, Manoj, may I request you to take up the note so that we just very quickly and rapidly go through that. So, please see, this is a brief note on behalf of the petitioner. Your Lordship has it. That's the heading, right on the cover page. Sorry.
মুখ্যমন্ত্রীর মামলার শুনানি শুরু। ইতিমধ্যেই কোর্টরুমের ছবি আপনারা দেখছেন। এসআইআর নিয়ে সুপ্রিম কোর্টের সংঘাত, যে ছবি আপনারা
Which is
দেখছেন।
a snapshot. Now, the number of days left for the final publication.
Separate note you are talking.
Yes, Manoj, just save time. This is the full the submission which we are going to make and the request. Number of days left for final publication of electoral roll is 11 days. So that's up till 14 February 2026. Number of days left to complete the hearings is now just 4 days left on 7th February 2026. Number of voters categorized on a draft roll as unmapped is 32 lakh. Number of voters categorized as logical discrepancy post-draft poll publication is 1.36 crores, which is 20% of the electorate of West Bengal. Number of hearings held since, now this is just to give you an idea, since 16th December 2025, which is 41 days, so far they've held 88 lakh.
কোর্টরুমের ছবি আপনারা দেখছেন। প্রধান বিচারপতি সূর্যকান্ত, বিচারপতি জয়মাল্য বাগচি, বিচারপতি বিপুল এম পাঞ্চলির বেঞ্চে শুনানি চলছে মুখ্যমন্ত্রীর মামলা শুনানি। সুপ্রিম কোর্টে এসআইআর সংঘাত। সুপ্রিম কোর্টে মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় রয়েছেন, সেই ছবি কোর্টরুমেরও আপনাদেরকে দেখাচ্ছি, যেখানে প্রধান বিচারপতি সূর্যকান্ত, বিচারপতি জয়মাল্য বাগচি, বিচারপতি বিপুল এম পাঞ্চলির বেঞ্চে শুনানি চলছে এই মুহূর্তে। দেখুন, এর আগে এসআইআর বিরোধিতায় সুপ্রিম কোর্টে মামলা করেছিলেন তৃণমূলের 3 সাংসদ, সর্বোচ্চ আদালতে মামলা করেছিলেন দোলা সেন, মহুয়া মৈত্র, ডেরেক ওব্রায়েন। আজ সবকটি মামলারই শুনানি একসঙ্গে চলল। এই মুহূর্তে মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়ের মামলার শুনানি শুরু হয়ে গিয়েছে ইতিমধ্যেই।
Which has been given to them at this stage. Number of approved documents rejected after hearing stage commenced. Now, this is one of our grievances. The Panchayat residence certificates, the family registers, the domicile certificates, Aadhaar card, OBC certificates, and land allotment certificates. None of these are by themselves being accepted. And despite orders of the court, and then, Manoj, we have mentioned because people are waiting in 4 and 5 hour queues over there. Now, please go over to page 2, para 5. We formulated the specific point here. Now, the first suggestion is non-statutory category of logical discrepancies used to issue notices to 1.36 crore otherwise eligible electors. Now, this is our request. Direct the ECI to upload the reasons of each elector flagged as logical discrepancy cases online on the ECI website. May I request you to directly go to page, we've explained this more fully, but just go to page appendix 1 at page 8 of the same note. Now, I'm just giving you an example.
Which is appendix 2.
My mistake. Please go to appendix 2, appendix 2. Page 11.
Page 11.
Yes. Now, pursuant to your Lordship's directions, this is what is being put up. But, as you will see, so the name of the elector is there, age, gender, and then the category notice just says DM, which is discrepancy in mapping. But the person doesn't really know when this is put up on those, the reasons are not indicated over here. So what is the reason for this particular discrepancy in mapping?
Mr. Diwan,
Yes.
we were informed that this is on the website, but when the notice is given to the person
Yes, you're
concerned,
right.
the particular.
Yes,
reason
we've given you that
is
example.
picked up.
You're right, Bilal, but there is a lag as far as those notices are concerned. So we are suggesting some short reason should be indicated on this as well, because it will help the process. People will know why are they on that particular list? What's the reason for the list?
Diwan,
Yes.
to the extent that person must know the reason,
Yes.
is absolutely justified. There is no difficulty. The only question is that what is the mode of communicating that reason? What we have been told on the day,
Yes.
because on 19th when we were passing this order,
Yes, yes.
we were also, because we thought that we are issuing very comprehensive direction so that there is every procedural part is smooth sailing.
Yes.
Now, we were told on that day
Yeah.
that list is not the only communication. Communication is individual notices to the person
Yes.
included in the list of discrepancies.
Yes.
And that notice then define, that notice.
So we've given you a sample in the note.
Page 10.
You're right. You're absolutely right. For example, page 9 and 10.
All notices are containing the reasons. Lordships have also permitted them to take a representative lot of whether BLA or otherwise as they want.
Bilal, this will certainly help if it is up there on the note and a short reason is indicated. The notice may carry, given the numbers which we are dealing with, by the time somebody receives it, reads it, etc. So this is Bilal, my first suggestion.
So, for example, page 9, as you are referring to.
Yes, page 9, we've indicated over there.
Now, it said due to the mismatch between the name of your father as well
Yes.
as the current electoral rolls and
Yes.
as given in the electoral roll prepared during the previous SIR,
Yeah.
as per the linkage shown in your enumeration form, you
Yes.
seem to be incorrectly linked with the electoral rolls. I think
Yes.
this is a reason, this is a well-explained reason.
Yeah, so now I want to just take this, I'm obliged to your lordships. Now please go back to my note, just go to page 2. I'm going to now build on this point.
Page 2.
Yes. So on page 2 of the note, 5A1, I have made the point, then your lordships will see upload reasons is what we suggest. Now, number 2, in 5A2, direct the ECI to withdraw all notices under the category which pertain only to name mismatch. Now, look at this. Yeah.
Page 5, page 5. 5 and 3.
I have nothing to say.
5K.